welcome back to my channel. Meet my beautiful friend Shamila. She's from Argentina and I love her to death. For her makeup, I'm gonna start with applying the Eye Magic color correcting cream on top of her eyelids, and under her eyes. I'm using the MAC 212 brush. I'm gonna blend this and I'm gonna follow it with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. I'm gonna apply the concealer with a beauty blender. So what I'm doing now is I'm applying the concealer in the same areas that I applied the color correcting cream. So I'm just dabbing, dab until everything's dissolved. I'm also gonna use a brush to make sure all the product is dissolved and blended. Next, I'm going to do her brows. For the brows, I'm using the Benefit brow pencil. The brows might take me a little longer just because I want to focus on the brows. Every girl knows that brows are a big deal, and I'm going to take the time that's necessary in order to achieve that. For the brows, I'm just filling them in. I did plug them beforehand out of camera just because I didn't want this video to be too long. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna fill them in. I'm gonna start with the outer corners and I'm gonna just brush it with the same brush. I like to keep these brows natural because I don't picture her with the arched brow. I love her brows because they make her look younger and it fits her face structure really well. So I'm just brushing them out, and I'm also going to highlight her underbrow with my LA concealer. So what I'm doing, I'm just placing it, and with my MAC 212 brush, I'm just gonna clean them up. This step helps them look clean and neat and perfect. You'll see. A little bit about my friend Shamila. We met maybe four months ago. The day that we met, we connected so well. I instantly knew that she was one of my kind. We're both Aries. Our personalities are really alike, and we have a lot of things in common. And I really want to thank her for letting me do this. She literally told me, Adela, I need you to do my makeup. And she was like, do whatever you want. I trust you, do your thing. And for her to do that is amazing. It's a huge honor that I have, because personally I wouldn't let nobody else do my makeup. So this is big for me. So thank you, Shamila, for letting me do my thing. And hopefully in the future, I'm gonna make her do my makeup. Okay, so the brows, she approves them, as you can tell. So now we're gonna move to the other side. On this side, I'm gonna try to fast forward it because we don't want to be here all day, right? So we're gonna try to do it quick. I'm gonna basically do the same thing. I'm gonna fill them in, add concealer around it, and clean up. Moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm using the Tarte Pro palette. With my Morphe brush, I'm gonna add a light shade to her inner corner of her eyes. I always use this as a base. So this step helps make the eyes look more younger, more flawless, awaken. I always do this step and it looks great in my opinion. It's basically like making art. You know, you have to get your canvas ready. So this is my canvas and I want it super neat. The next step, I'm gonna choose a matte burgundy color. I got inspired by the color of her shirt. She's wearing a beautiful color and I was like, oh, I have to do this color. So I'm gonna, from the same palette and the Tarte Pro palette, I'm gonna use this matte burgundy and I'm gonna softly apply it. I'm gonna go very light and then I'm gonna intensify it little by little and then blend it. For this makeup, I'm using old Morphe brushes, by the way. Alright guys, fun fact about Jamila and I, we work together and we're always having a blast. This girl makes me laugh every day of the week. She's my personal clown, by the way. In a good way, though. She is really a fun person to be around with. She's contagious, and I'm very thankful for her. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm just trying to clean up and then try to make the eyeshadow neat. And I'm going to proceed to do her eyeliner. I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Eyeliner. So what I always do is 2 steps. I start from the inner corner of the eye to the center. And then I start from the outer corner of the eye to the center. And then I connect both lines. Pretty simple, huh? It wasn't always this way. I really recommend the L'Oreal Telescopic Eyeliner because it's very pigmented. It stays in place and it's a matte finish. It's also easy to apply. It's not messy at all. I really like it. Plus, it's affordable. You can find it at the drugstores. Okay, so after the eyeliner, I'm gonna apply some lashes. They are NYX lashes. And I'm gonna add this real quick. Okay, done. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the lower lash. I'm with the same Tarte Pro palette. I'm gonna grab that same color with a little brush, and I'm gonna also use the Afshan eyeshadow shield. Cleanup time. Now we're gonna do the eyeliner. We're gonna use the Girlastic eyeliner. We're gonna apply it on both of eyes. And now we're gonna start with the MAC Prep Primer. We're gonna apply the MAC Prep Primer all over her face. This helps the makeup to last longer, and it looks better and it feels better, and yeah, it's great. For her foundation, I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Foundation. I'm gonna apply that with a beauty blender. Time for contour. We're using the LA Girl Contouring Kit. It's a powder base. I use this one because I have a bunch and I love it. So far, this is the only one I found that I like. For lips, I'm gonna use the Buxom, and I'm also gonna use Gerald Cosmetics. I think she would look better in a darker shade, so I might change this lipstick to MAC. Now, when it comes to the hair, I will be doing her hair out of camera just because my camera reheats a lot and it probably will turn off by now. So I'm gonna give my camera a little break. I'm gonna do the hair out of camera, and then I'm gonna record the last part of the hair so you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm not really happy with this color. I think I'm gonna add a different one. Just wait. For her hair, I'm using the Conair Curling Iron in a size medium. I'm sorry, the Conair Curling Wand in a size medium. What I'm doing, I'm just doing some big curls all over her hair, and the hair is gonna look kind of wavy at the end. The size of the wand is medium again, so I will be adding a Kendra Art Formation spray at the end. That hairspray is amazing. I love it very much. My friend Loani, she is a hairdresser. She recommended that. She actually brought that spray for me as a gift, and ever since then I've been using that one. I love it. It doesn't leave residues on your hair. It just holds your hair all day. I'm in love with it. So this, if you guys are still watching, thank you for watching this video. This is the last part of this video. Let me know if you want me to do another video like this one on other people. I would love to do it again. I would love to try my techniques, my skills on different people, different faces, people from all ages. I would love to do that. And let me know if you liked it. I am very happy with the outcome of this look, this makeover. So right now I'm just adding more spray. Again, Jamila, thank you very much for letting me work on your face. It was a pleasure. I had so much fun. We were talking about random things all over the video, and it was such an amazing time. I had so much fun in this video. Hopefully we'll do it again. Next time she will be doing my makeup, by the way.
It's you, babe, and I'm a sucker for the way that you move, babe. And I could try to run, but it would be